guys, this is Bryant with Mustang Mod's EcoBoost Garage. Today we're going to be doing a real quick check of our UPR dual valve catch can to see how much oil we've collected over the last couple thousand miles. I installed the UPR dual valve catch can when I was at about 2,500 miles, and at this moment we have about 5,000, just over 5,000 miles on the car. So let's give it a check and see how much oil is actually in there. So as you can see, it's real easy to do this. You just got to unscrew it by hand. And there's the filter. I don't want to spill anything, so I'm going to need my other hand here for a second. Alright. Lots of nasty sludge and whatnot in there. I'm going to go find a little jar or something to put this in. Alright, here we go. Let's pour it out. Ooh, look at all that nastiness. And it's really dirty too, so all that sludge would be going into the intake of your engine had I not had the catch can installed. So yeah, I actually ordered mine from Function Factory Performance online for about $249. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to put her back together and call it a wrap up. Thanks a lot.